Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Soundcore P20i. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now click on your headphones at the device list to connect them. And we did it. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So put your headphones to the charging case. Now they disconnecting, and remove it from the charging case. And they connected again. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So put it to the charging case. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and then remove your headphones from the charging case. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold both of the headphones until you can hear a notification sound. Here we go. And now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!